Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL300 exam series. This is your host, Apka Consultant, bringing you episode 34. So today's topic is chart visuals in Power BI. And those of you who are new to this channel and are watching this episode for the first time, you can watch the playlist. The link is above top right here. You can watch all the previous 33 episodes in which I have covered the latest topics that are being asked in this exam of PL300 conducted by Microsoft. So you can check out this playlist, cover all those previous 33 episodes, and improve your learning. So that being said, let's jump to question number 34. So the question says, what type of visualization would best represent monthly sales trends to highlight seasonal patterns? Option A, pie chart. Option B, line chart. Option C, heat map. Option D, column chart. So I'm gonna pause the video here for 10 seconds. You can think what is the solution for this question. Your time starts now. So your time is up. Let's see what is the solution. So it's option B, line chart. So whenever there is a sales trend versus time, it is asked in the question of almost every time line chart is the best representation where you can see uh, a number, for example, sales in this matter is trending. Yep. Two, obviously you can see in the line chart how the patterns, different patterns, month over month, quarter over quarter, and year over year. We'll also see with the help of a Power BI example. So that covers today's question. Let's now look at the overall explanation. So this slide talks about what does each chart visual in Power BI represents and where you can use them. For example, line chart uh, is used to show the changes and trends over time by plotting monthly sales data over a period, example months of the year. A line chart can effectively highlight increases or decreases in sales, making it easier to identify seasonal patterns. So that is why line chart is the best option for this question. You can obviously look at other explanation for different charts like column chart, heat map, pie chart. Yep, by pausing this slide, and it will improve your understanding on this topic. So that covers the explanation part. Now let's look at the resources. As again, I am covering this course from Udemy called PL300 certification exam, and there is an article of Microsoft Learn on different types of visualization type. So now let's jump and look at the Microsoft Learn article. So this article talks about visualization types in Power BI. For example, area charts and stack charts where you can use them, bar and column charts, cards. Now we have multi-row cards, single number, combo charts, etc. So this article in detail covers every visualization type. I'm not sure about the latest one that are being added, but mostly are present here. Decomposition tree. So yes, where you can use them, donut charts, funnel charts, gauge charts, key influencers charts, right? And KPIs, line charts, which is our, you know, today's question emphasizes overall shape of an entire series of values over time, right? So hence sales pattern over time best represented with the help of line charts. Then we have maps as well, basic map, GIS map, Azure map, field maps, shape map, metrics, pie chart, power apps, Q&A visual, R scripts, ribbon chart, scatter plot, bubble chart, scatter high density, slicers are there, smart narratives are there, standalone images, table visual is there, tree maps are there, waterfall charts is there. So in totality, all of this visualization types are covered in this article. I will also paste this link in the video description so you can go through it and improve and prepare for every visualization types that are being asked in this exam. So that covers today's topic on this article. And now I'll just look at Power BI desktop report and see a quick line chart. So I have this sample report, not report, but data set of sales wherein I have, columns like order ID, order date, shipment mode, we have category. So there are a lot of columns, but our columns of interest are we have a sales here and we have order date here or ship date, right? Whatever you are using. So let's quickly create a line chart. We have this line chart right here. You can click on it. Now just search sales, click on sales and just search, let's say, by order date. So yeah, you can click on this and you can see the line chart. Obviously, it's very looks very messy because it is date hierarchies there, year, quarter, month, day. Let me remove the day type. So now you can see it's cleaner and you can easily identify the seasonal patterns. For example, sales in the month of quarter four of 2029, sales was little higher, and obviously highest was in 2020 quarter three. So yeah, you can turn on hierarchy and obviously drill up and drill down, right? So let me do that. Drill up. Yep, this is over 2 years, 2019 and 2020. If you go down, we can see quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, and then obviously by month. So yeah, you can visualize by different quarters, use a drill option to see the seasonal sales pattern with the help of this line chart visual, right? And obviously you can see the numbers here. The sum of sales is 115945 in the some month of March. And yes, so yeah, that covers today's topic. I hope you like the content and make sure you subscribe the channel, and I'll come back with another video on another topic. So thank you for watching. Looking forward to see you on the next episode.